Bonjour tout le monde, comment ça va? So this is the session number 9 and we're going to learn today the negations. But avant ça, nous allons voir notre proverbe du jour. But before that, we're going to see the proverb of the day, which today is chacun voit midi à sa porte. Chacun voit midi à sa porte. Everybody sees afternoon at their own door. So technically, everybody has their own point of view, right? So today we are going to learn negations. So what are negations basically? So negations are negative sentences, very simply, right? So till now we are able to make sentences like um, I work today, I like French, uh, je mange du pizza, je parle français, j'habite ici, je vis à Delhi, les phrases comme ça. But what about if we want to use these sentences in a negative sense? For example, si je voulais dire je n'habite pas ici, mais je vis à France, par exemple, à Paris, je suis désolé. So for these sort of negative sentences, the basic rule that French language uses is that before the verb we put ne and after the verb we put pas. Ne and the verb conjugation and then pas. So, remember the sentence that I just spoke. Je n'habite pas ici. I do not live here. So, this type of sentences we will be able to make after this video, right? Okay, so for example, if somebody asks us a question, vous parlez anglais et italien? So we have already learned the er ending verbs. We have already learned the connectors, right? If you have any confusion, any doubts with them, you can always go to the previous sessions, previous videos. Okay, so you speak English and Italian? Question mark. So in normal scenarios, I would be like, oui, je parle anglais. Yes, I speak English. Mais non, je ne parle pas italien. I do not speak Italian. So the basic rule stays here is that we put ne before the verb, the arrow, it tells that before this there is ne, and then after the verb there is pa. So whatever is the main action of your sentence, you put ne before that and pa after that, right? Let's see some more things. Habitez-vous en France? Remember, we also saw how to make questions, how to ask questions. Des interrogatifs en français. Oui? So for those videos, you can always go back to the previous videos, the previous sessions. Okay, so non, je n'habite pas en France, mais j'habite en Inde. No, I do not live in France. I live in India, right? So if you see it carefully, there is an apostrophe. So why there is an apostrophe? Because in French, two vowels they do not come together. H is a vowel, so whenever there is a vowel, wherever there is a vowel, we always replace the first vowel. For example, here in this case is E. We would replace it with an apostrophe. So, je n'habite pas en France. J'habite en Inde. Right? This is a verb habiter, er ending verb that we have already learned. Okay. Okay, we move forward. So normally, the normal scenario is we put ne and there is a verb and there is pas. So ne pas. In but for more native feel, we always drop the ne. So you would always find people speaking like this. J'habite pas ici. Je sais pas. Je comprends pas. Right? So they drop ne for more natural feel. That's how it is spoken in France, So but of course, first we will learn with the grammatical approach, which says that you always put ne before the verb and pas after that, right? Okay. So il y a plus de phrases pour s'entraîner. There are some more sentences for practicing. I do not speak French. Je ne parle pas français. She does not like coffee. Elle n'aime pas le café. So remember, there is n because P is not a vowel, and there is an apostrophe because A is a vowel here, right? So this is how we make negative sentences in French language. There are some exceptions, but then we will see those exceptions in the coming video, right? Okay, so there are some sentences for you to practice now. Let me quickly, yes. So these are the sentences. We do not watch television. He does not work on Sunday. They do not play football. How would you say these sentences in French? Okay, so with this, I would take a leave. Merci beaucoup. Au revoir. À bientôt. See you very soon.